Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start on your TV with Netflix open and your profile selected. First, locate the title you want to remove in Continue Watching. Highlight it now. Once highlighted, press left or the Options button on your remote to open the title row controls. This reveals details and any quick actions. Make sure you remain on that specific item. If you move away, you'll need to reselect it. This direct selection is essential because removal actions are tied to the item's contextual menu on TV apps. Once the item's controls are visible, press Enter to open details or select the three-dot menu. Different TVs label it differently. In the Details panel, scan for Remove from Continue Watching or the icon that clears progress. Choose that option. You'll often see a confirmation prompt. Confirm it to delete progress from your profile. This step erases the saved watch point for that title on Netflix's servers for that profile, so the title will no longer appear in Continue. After confirming removal, go back to Home and check your Continue Watching row. The title should be gone. If it still appears, make sure to sign out of Netflix on the TV, then sign in again or force close and restart the app. This refreshes the profile cache. If problems persist, use a browser to remove the title from viewing activity in your account settings. Once removed there, allow a few minutes and then restart the TV app to sync the change. That usually resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.